What if Earth collided with another planet? Imagine your entire world tearing apart in an instant. Skies flaming, land molten, oceans boiling. You'd see a second planet filling the sky like a jagged mirror, growing larger until there is no separation left. You might wonder, is this just science fiction? What would really happen if a rogue world struck ours? Let's walk through that nightmare, piece by terrifying piece. It begins when another planet drifts into our neighborhood. Maybe a rogue world, kicked out of its star system heading toward us. At first you wouldn't see it. It might appear small, dark, like a faint moon, growing brighter each night. As it draws closer, its gravity starts to tug at Earth. Those invisible pulls would warp our tides. Seas would bulge toward the arriving world. Coastlines flood as huge waves sweep continents. Earthquakes rattle as the crust strains under competing forces. Closer still, storms rage. Winds tear across continents. Oceans surge and weather spirals out of control. The atmosphere itself begins to shift, unstable under the alien planet's pull. Then the two atmospheres meet. The air compresses and glows with heat. The sky above the impact side turns into a blistering furnace. Temperatures climb so fast that before the planets even touch, the surface vaporizes in a searing flash. On the rest of Earth, molten rivers of magma break through the crust. Shockwaves rupture tectonic plates, ignite volcanoes, and open massive fissures. Mountains collapse, continents fracture, oceans boil. When the collision finally comes, the force is unimaginable. Two massive bodies smash together at kilometers per second. A fireball expands outward. Superheated rock and gas blast across both surfaces. Shockwaves race through Earth's core, shaking it apart. Gravity itself begins to distort. The cores might merge, or one is crushed completely. Debris launches into space. Fragments of crust, mantle, even core. Some escapes, some spirals into orbit. What's left could form rings, a new asteroid belt, or merge into smaller worlds. Life, of course, ends instantly. Nothing on the surface could survive. Underground or deep ocean creatures would also be wiped out as the planet itself collapses. Scientists believe something similar happened before. Billions of years ago, a Mars-sized planet called Theia struck young Earth. The debris formed our moon. That ancient impact reshaped our planet forever. But could this happen again? Rogue planets do exist, drifting through the galaxy. And yes, planetary collisions are real, but the chance of another world striking Earth now is astronomically small. Our solar system's orbits are stable, and no planet is on a collision course. So, what if Earth collided with another planet? You'd see a second planet fill the sky. You'd feel the ground quake, seas boiling, skies burning. You'd watch both worlds disintegrate, reforge, scatter. You'd realize life on this scale was only possible because this did not happen. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, if it made you think, then please hit like and subscribe.